Do you think you need to look for it? Look around? No. Hey, 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 Kharisma here. Welcome back. Can I share a secret with you? Can I tell you something that you may not be aware of? Something that you've been doing for a while, and I'm going to tell you to stop it right now. You know what that is? Stop searching for your purpose. You may know it as your life purpose, your soul purpose, but I want to invite you today. If you've been searching, trying to find your purpose, I want you to stop it right now. Stop searching for your purpose. We're going to get into it right now, so go grab your paper and pen and let's get started. Here's what I know for sure. Your life purpose or soul purpose is your first step to living a conscious life. Your life purpose or soul purpose is simply your divine work or message that you were created to share or to do in this world while you are here on earth. There's no reason why you should be searching for your purpose. It's not outside of you. I mean, this is probably how people look when they're searching for their purpose, and so many people do not have clarity on what their purpose is here on life, and it makes life challenging and difficult when you are not aligned to your purpose, the purpose that we all have, whether you are religious or not, whether you believe in a higher power, God, divine, spirit, the universe. Even if you don't believe that there's a creator, you were created with a specific purpose for a specific reason. So let's think about that for a second. The creator of all creators created you, created me, created every one of us here, the billions of people on this planet. And if he created you for a specific reason, don't you think that that reason, that purpose would already be deposited on the inside of you? Think about it. Do you think you need to look for it? Look around? No. Stop searching for your purpose. Stop it. It is not lost. You may not have clarity on what it is, but it hasn't got up and left you. Okay? You may not have the clarity, but it's not something that you find outside of you. It is all on the inside of you. It is deep within your soul. If you just took the time and be still and ask, show me the way. Open my eyes and my understanding to what my true calling and purpose is here. While I'm here on earth, why did you create me? What purpose am I here to serve? We all have a purpose. You don't have to be an entrepreneur to have a purpose. We all, so whether you work in a 9-to-5 job, whether you are an entrepreneur, a business owner, a CEO, whatever that role is in your life, that you play in your life, that you have in your life, station of life, you have a purpose. Now, sometimes some people's calling may be more grander for the impact in the world that they're called to have on this earth. Like when we think of Mahatma Gandhi, or we think their calling has, and their purpose, the reason why they were created, their message and their life's work to have the impact that they were meant to have. That the work that was facilitated through their life, that purpose was embedded in them from the time they became conscious of this world that we're in. So stop searching for your purpose. It's on the inside. Just ask for clarity, ask for guidance, ask for revelation if you don't know what it is. And some clues for you to get clear on what your true calling is or your purpose is Go back to when you were a child. I mean, I talk about soul purpose and life purpose here all the time because it is part of my purpose here to help you uncover what your purpose is and to monetize it so that you can do the work that you're meant to be doing, and that you can be compensated divinely for that work while still serving the individuals that you're meant to serve. It is not rocket science. And some clues, like I was saying, is think back to when you were a child, when you were growing up. What were you passionate about? Were you naturally, gravitated to helping people? Like I share all the time that when I was growing up, as a child, I used to have the children in the neighborhood come over to my house because I wasn't allowed to go to anyone else's house. So all the children came to my house. And I will help them with their homework. And then we would have fun, hosting. I would host these pageants for them where they would dress up in their parents' clothing, shoes and makeup and, handbags and accessories and pearls. And it was fun. It was fun for them. It was me facilitating a day where they could be, to the spotlight. They could be in the spotlight. The spotlight could be shone on them. And it was fun, and it made them feel better, and it made me feel better to be able to help the children in the neighborhood, able to have a place where they felt safe to come to my home, where they will be taken care of, where they'll be nurtured, where I will help them with their homework, and where I would really build their self-esteem and their confidence, because a lot of them didn't have the confidence, and their confidence wasn't developed as much as mine was. So I was a leader. I was always a leader. From the time I was growing up, I was always leading somebody. And that hasn't changed. This is who I am. I am a teacher at heart. And I'm still leading. I'm still teaching. So I want you to go back to when you were a child. What is those activities that really lit you up, that you stand out, that your parents will comment about and say, well, you're going to be a doctor, you're going to be a nurse, or you're going to be a teacher, or whatever that thing is that you were good at it and it came naturally. Or you even thought about, when I grow up, I want to be this. Or when I grow up, I want to help people do this. Whatever that thing is. The other part of me is that I loved animals from the time I could remember as a child. I remember one time we had a cat, and it was a female cat. And we used to call her Mother Cat because every time you look around, she was always pregnant. She always got pregnant. And I love this cat. I could see her now. She's black and she had a little white on her belly. I remember one time she had a litter of kittens, and there were 4 or 6 kittens. I remember they were so tiny, and we had put them out of where she had the kittens was not really safe. So we put them in this shed that we had in our backyard so that they'll be safe and protected. And then I remember, looking after these kittens. And then one morning I went to check on the kittens, and they had all passed away. I mean, every single kitten had died, passed away during the night for whatever reason. We don't know if they were sick or whatever. And I was devastated. It just rocked my world. And I remember my cousins teasing me because I was crying that I lost, the kittens had died. And that forever stayed with me. I mean, I've had dogs, and now that I have a fur baby called Teddy, and also I have another fur baby that I look after. He's not mine, but he's like mine. His name is Benny. And part of my purpose here on earth is to be an advocate for animals, to facilitate and help facilitate the rights for animals, and to stop the abuse and the cruelty that's inflicted on them, especially when it comes to dogs. They have my heart. So, and this was way back when I was a child. I was clear on that. I knew that someday when I go up in some way or form that I was going to be an advocate for animals, because that experience molded me, and it had a profound impact on my life, and it has not gone away. The same way we're creating a platform for the children to stand and model, and just let them shine for that moment. And that's what I do with my magazine. That's what I do with my coaching and consultant, is to help you monetize your purpose and help you become financially empowered so that you can rise into wealth, impact, and freedom. That has not left me. That is my purpose. And that was inside of me from the day I was created, the day I was called into this consciousness as the life that we know here on earth. So I want you to stop searching for your purpose, because it is not lost. It is inside of you. I want you to take time to get clear and ask for guidance to what that purpose is. If you're struggling, if you're still trying to find, if you are, running after shiny objects and trying to figure out what you should do with your life, or maybe you're in a 9-to-5 job and that's not where you're supposed to be, get clear on what your purpose is. Take time to go deep within, because it is there. It is just an exercise to evoke the clarity. And if you need support or need help in getting clear on what your purpose is, I'm your girl, because this is my jam. I can help you uncover what your purpose is. You notice I didn't say find your purpose. I can help you uncover it. When something is to be uncovered, that means it's already in existence. It's already there. You may not be able to see it. You may not have the clarity. But when you uncover it, because it's there, it may be hidden from you, then it becomes so clear to you, and you can live in alignment, and you can intentionally create the life in alignment to your purpose. I hope that this video has served you. That it's been of value to you. If it has been, please like, share, and if you haven't joined the family here, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you a part of this vortex. And as always, if you need deeper support on your purpose, I can serve you. Or if you do have clarity on your purpose, but you don't know how to monetize it, you don't know how to do the work and be compensated for it, you don't know how to serve by being in alignment to your purpose, I can also support you on that. Click on the link below to schedule a call with me, and let's jump on a call to see how I can support you, and if we are fit to work together, and then we can go from there. And as always, follow me on Instagram at Kharisma_Aro. And finally, stop searching for your purpose. Until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.